The world's biggest workshops didn't start with endless staff or fancy buildings. Many of them began with a single machine that paid for itself within months. Today, I'll take you through 15 easy machines from China that could do the same for anyone wanting to start a garage business. Wheel and Rim Repair Lathe Machine. AWR26 Automatic Pro Wheel and Rim Repair Lathe is a solid choice for any garage business that wants steady cash flow. Priced around $13,500, it is designed to restore bent or damaged alloy rims back to their original condition. Customers often pay between $50 to $120 for a single rim repair, so handling 150 to 200 wheels a month can bring in $7,500 or more. This machine not only saves drivers the cost of buying new rims, but also positions your garage as the go-to place for fast, profitable repair work. Automatic Tire Changer Machine. Handling rims between 12 and 30 inches, this automatic tire changer is designed to make mounting and dismounting tires faster and safer. With the ability to service both cars and trucks, garages can charge $20 to $40 per tire. Managing 200 to 250 tires monthly could bring in $4,000 to $10,000. Efficiency improves because the operator spends less time on each job, allowing more vehicles to be serviced in a day. At around $1,420, this machine offers excellent value and strong profit potential. Wheel Alignment Machine. Precise wheel alignment is a service every car owner needs, and this Detong machine makes it efficient. Using advanced sensors, it quickly measures and adjusts all four wheels, reducing tire wear and improving vehicle safety. Offering alignment services at $50 to $100 per car, handling 100 vehicles a month can generate $5,000 to $10,000 in revenue. Quick turnaround and accurate results attract repeat customers and fleet business. Investing in this equipment strengthens your garage's reputation for professionalism. The price of this machine is around $5,000. Car Bench Chassis Straightener. Accident repairs often require heavy-duty equipment, and this frame machine handles that job with ease. Priced around $2,880, the Jintua Chassis Straightener is built to realign bent car frames and bring vehicles back to safe driving conditions. Garages offering this service can charge $500 to $1,000 per repair, so just 10 cars a month could generate $5,000 to $10,000. Adding this machine not only increases revenue, but also attracts insurance referrals and long-term customers who value professional body repair work. Heavy-duty tire changer. Handling truck tires manually is tough, and that is where the QNC IT568 makes life easier. With a price tag of about $1,800, this machine is built to mount and dismount large truck tires quickly. From a business view, the profit margin is strong because shops can charge $25 to $50 per tire change. Even if you manage 200 truck tires in a month, earnings could reach $5,000 to $8,000. Offering this service keeps downtime short for transport businesses, which means steady customers and repeat income for your garage. Manual Tire Remover and Wheel Balancer. A simple yet effective tool, this crowbar-type machine helps remove and balance wheels without heavy automation. At just $480, it is an affordable starting point for small garages. By charging $10 to $20 per tire service, handling 200 jobs in a month could generate $2,000 to $4,000. The low investment means faster returns, and since tire work is a common service, customer flow stays steady. It is especially useful for startups looking to provide essential services with minimal overhead. Brake Disc and Drum Lathe Machine. Shops that offer brake services gain a strong edge by adding this lathe, as it resurfaces worn discs and drums to extend their life. With a cost of about $1,650, the C9335 model is compact yet powerful, making it suitable for most garages. Customers typically pay $80 to $120 per disc skimming, and even 60 jobs in a month could bring $4,800 to $7,200. Providing this service not only creates direct income but also drives repeat visits for other maintenance work. Puzzle Stereo Car Parking System. This innovative auto parking system maximizes space by stacking and moving cars efficiently, making it perfect for busy garages or commercial lots. It operates with motor-driven platforms to lift and park multiple vehicles safely, offering monthly parking services at $100 to $200 per spot. Managing 20 to 30 vehicles could bring $2,000 to $6,000 in revenue. Reduced lane requirements and faster turnover attract business clients looking for reliable parking solutions. Investing in this system adds a modern high-tech edge to your garage. The price is around $3,000. Automatic rim repair machine. Offering precision repairs for bent or damaged alloy rims, this AWR26E model is an economic choice for new garages aiming to expand services. Shops often charge $60 to $120 per rim, and handling 120 wheels in a month can bring $7,200 to $14,400 in revenue. The automatic curve optimized system ensures smooth operation and accurate results, keeping customers satisfied. With a cost of about $11,900, it quickly pays itself off while adding a high-demand, profitable service that sets your garage apart. Refrigerated dual gas charge. Keeping car air conditioning systems running properly is a high-demand service, and this fully automatic unit makes the job simple. Priced at around $2,000, the machine handles both R134 and R1234 heat gases with accurate charging and recovery. Customers usually pay $40 to $80 for an AC recharge, and servicing even 120 vehicles a month could generate $4,800 to $9,600. Since drivers often need AC maintenance before summer, this equipment ensures steady seasonal income and helps position your garage as a professional, reliable service center. Rolling shutter door machine. Garages that expand into fabrication can benefit from this heavy-duty machine, which produces rolling shutter grills and perforated doors. With a price of about $12,000, the Liming model allows you to create custom shutters for shops, warehouses, and garages. Each door can be sold for $300 to $600 depending on size and design. Producing 20 units a month could mean $6,000 to $12,000 in earnings. Beyond direct sales, offering installation services adds another income stream and strengthens long-term business growth. Gasoline pressure washer. This powerful pressure washer comes with a 300 liters water tank and 250 bar output, making it ideal for car wash businesses and cleaning companies. Small garages can charge $15 to $30 per wash, and servicing 150 to 200 vehicles monthly could bring $2,250 to $6,000 in revenue. Its gasoline engine allows mobility and longer operation without being tied to power outlets, saving time and labor costs. With a price of around $540, it is an affordable investment that boosts efficiency and profit for garage owners. Automatic rolling shutter machine. Producing durable steel shutters becomes efficient with this fully automatic roll forming unit. The machine, priced around $6,500, can manufacture shutters for garages, shops, and warehouses with consistent quality. Each shutter can sell for $250 to $500, and even producing 20 to 25 units monthly could generate $5,000 to $12,500 in revenue. Adding installation services can further increase profits. For garages looking to expand into fabrication, this equipment creates a steady product line while boosting income opportunities beyond traditional repair work. Mid-rise scissor car lift. At roughly $1,782, this portable hydraulic scissor lift suits small car shops. It handles four-wheel positioning, vehicle testing, and quick maintenance using imported hydraulic parts, double-tooth safety locks, and electrical protection for smooth operation. Faster turnarounds and safer lifts let you add services like alignment, brake checks, and oil changes. Charging $20 to $40 per job and completing 150 services a month could bring about $3,000 to $6,000. Profits grow as repeat clients and volume increase. 360-degree omnidirectional car washer. This multi-station system cleans vehicles from every angle with smooth 5.5 motors, making it ideal for high-traffic garages. Offering fast, thorough washes allows you to serve more customers in less time, increasing monthly revenue. Charging $15 to $30 per wash for 300 cars could earn $4,500 to $9,000. The automated operation also lowers labor costs and keeps service consistent, helping build loyal clients. Reliable performance ensures your garage stands out for speed and quality. Price for this machine is around $13,400. Wheel alignment and collision repair system. Garages that deal with accident-damaged vehicles can add big value with this combination frame machine and alignment system. The Gentoo model realigns bench structures while also offering precision wheel alignment, giving customers complete repair solutions. At about $3,600 US, it is a mid-range investment with strong returns. Shops can charge $300 to $800 for frame straightening and $50 to $100 for alignments. Handling just 15 frame jobs and 40 alignments in a month could mean $7,500 to $14,000, making this machine a reliable revenue generator. Which one do you think would make the biggest impact in your garage setup? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your ideas for the next video.